Hi everyone, today's video we are going to discover the new Watch Buds by Huawei. If you never know where to store your wireless headphones, Huawei has thought of you with its Watch Buds, a watch that can abrogate and recharge them at the same time. The use of different concepts to reinvent connected watches is constantly advancing. After the watch with interchangeable case, now the one with integrated earphones. Named Watch Buds, Huawei has only released a short video teaser. However, this was without counting on the inevitable leaks that reveal its design before its time. Actually, we are facing a smartwatch also acting as a storage box and charging true wireless headphones. Its dial rises to reveal the two small buds under it. Very compact and cylindrical earphones, which question their sound quality. What was found on this watch is that it is both wide and thick, very imposing. It will probably be for big wrists, and especially for people who always want to have a pair of headphones. Huawei has confirmed the existence of its Watch Buds on Weibo. However, it has decided to postpone the launch event, scheduled for December 2nd in China. As with the Xiaomi 13, this delay is likely related to the death of former Chinese President Jiang Zemin. The evolution of connected watches at Huawei has begun to progress since the rapprochement of connected watches and bracelets in the audio universe. With the launch of its fitness tracker in 2014, which is the subject of a Bluetooth headset, called the TalkBand B1, until the last two-in-one bracelet, the TalkBand B6, launched in late 2020. That's all for today. Don't forget to share the video if you liked it, and click on subscribe, to be informed of new videos. Bye!